Welcome guys, welcome to your first Android tutorial at crazylearning.com. Sorry, Crazy Learning. I don't buy a domain at this time. We will soon buy it. So in this first tutorial, we're gonna install Java JDK to our machine. So let's start that. Before first, I'm gonna tell you something. Just stick to the series to learn Android. Well, my name is Suraj Adsur and from Pune. So let's start it. First, open the Google and type Java JDK and hit enter. Then open the first site like www.oracle.com. Opens it. Okay. Here is we find two icons like Java Platform JDK and Java NetBeans. Well, we gonna use Eclipse, so we don't use NetBeans. So click on the Java. Here we see various packages for Linux, Mac OS X 64-bit. We gonna install for Windows 32-bit or 64-bit. Here x86 means 32-bit version and 64 means 64-bit version. So my system is 64-bit, so I'm gonna install 64-bit version. So click on this. Oh, let's say that we have to accept the license agreement. You can read that this license agreement is very comedic. So we click JDK 64-bit and start download. Okay, it's gonna take some time. I already downloaded it and just we have to install, like double clicking on that icon and simply. So to set up a JDK environment in your Windows system, you have to type cmd. When you install Java JDK, you have to type cmd, open command prompt and type java dash version. It's gonna say 170, but you have to set up the environment variable first time. So you have to go right click, properties and advanced system settings. Then you have to go environment variables, type new, in variable name type path, then in variable value you have to type the path of the Java JDK. So go computer, local disk C, program files. If you use 32-bit version then you have to go x86. If you use 64-bit version then you have to go program files, Java JDK bin, and right click on any file, go to properties and just copy the path and paste it here, then say OK. I'm already said that, so I'm gonna cancel this. Then open the new command prompt and type java dash version. Then it says version 1.7.0. then you have to type java c dash version. Then it says java c version 1.7.0. if things goes well, then it shows like this. If not goes well, then you have to check what you are missing in the environment variables. Okay, this is how you can install Java JDK on your machine we gonna need that for the Android because it is the best for the Android. Thank you very much.